In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Proton Mail account using the QR code feature on your mobile device. This feature offers an added layer of security, making sure your email account is protected. So without further ado, let's dive right in. To begin, ensure you have the Proton Mail app installed on your mobile device. Once you've got the app ready, go ahead and open it. This app is designed to keep your email secure and encrypted, providing peace of mind for all your communications. Now, after launching the app, you'll want to head straight to the settings menu. The settings option is usually found in the sidebar or the main menu, and it allows you to personalize your experience and manage your account's security features. After you've accessed settings, you'll want to focus on the security section. The security settings are crucial because they help you safeguard your emails from unauthorized access. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the option that says Scan QR Code. This function is pivotal in setting up a secure and streamlined login process. When you tap on Scan QR Code, your phone's camera will automatically activate. Make sure you're in a well-lit area so your camera can clearly capture the QR code. If you're having trouble scanning the code, try cleaning your camera lens or adjusting the distance between your phone and the QR code. A properly scanned QR code is vital for the next steps. With the camera ready, aim it steadily at the QR code you have. This unique code is linked to your Proton Mail account and is vital for adding that additional security measure. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, the app will guide you through the rest. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the process. This will typically involve a few prompts asking for confirmation or verification steps. Make sure to pay attention to these prompts as they are designed to confirm your identity and ensure the process is completed correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully scanned and set up the QR code on your Proton Mail app, elevating the security of your email communications. By doing this, you're taking a significant step towards ensuring that your emails remain private and protected from prying eyes. Don't forget to explore other security settings under the same menu to further enhance your account security. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other guides to make the most of your Proton Mail experience. Have a safe and secure day, and see you in the next video.